This video is on how to find the construction progress spreadsheet and how to complete it. You will find the construction progress spreadsheet within the construction workspace under construction progress. Here you will find a list of current projects. You will see the client name, the project status, if the construction has been started, in progress, on hold or complete, the original contract amount, the final contract amount, the difference between the two, the project type, and the location of the project. To add a new project, simply click on the square next to the template. We will then go down and click on duplicate. Click on duplicate clients. This will create a new space to add a client in. In this space, we will type in the client's name. We will go across and enter in the contract amount. We will click the projects and choose the project type. You are able to choose multiple. Then click into the location and enter in the address. Once they are complete, we will click on the arrow next to the name. Here you will see a list of the different stages from DA through to variations. To complete this, we will go to the amounts and we will add in the different amounts for each stage. We will also go through and complete a description of each stage by clicking in. Once this has been complete, you will then notice at the top in the column, the final contract amount will show you the total of these amounts, and then that's your difference. In order to have an invoice paid, once it is ready, simply click the status column, choose invoice. This will do two things. One, it will put a date for the invoice. It will also notify Heidi that the invoice needs to be done. Once the invoice is paid, Heidi will then click on the status bar again and choose invoice. This will then put a date of when it was invoiced. If an additional variation needs to be added, simply come down to the last line where it says add sub item, click inside, type in the new VO number, press enter, complete the amount and the description. Enter again. Once the project is complete, the project status will then be changed to complete, which then moves project down to completed clients.